this video, I will show you how to get a job at American Airlines. So first of all, go to your browser and then type in American Airlines and then jobs and then click on enter. And then you will see this option at the top saying jobs at American Airlines. So go ahead and click on this. And then when you scroll down a little bit, you will see this option to search open jobs. So let's go ahead and click on that. And then you can just filter by location and keyword. And you can also filter on country region in this sidebar. So let's say you want to filter for jobs in the United States only. Then you select this. Then you can select the job location again. So right now you can just select the city or the state where you want to have your job application in. So let's say you want to apply for a job in Boston. They're going to select this. And now you will see all of the available jobs at this moment. So let's say you want to apply for this job in here. You're going to click on the job. Then you will see all of the details and everything that is included in the job and everything that you need to have and all the qualifications that you need to have, what you will get, what your wage is going to be, well, an indication and stuff like that. And that is basically everything you need to know about the job. And if you want to apply, you're going to click on apply now. And then you can select start apply with LinkedIn, or you can just apply now by doing it manually and then filling in everything in yourself. But for that, you need to have an account. So first of all, create an account to apply for all the American Airlines opportunities. And once you do that, you are basically going to the application process, and then you need to fill in all of your details, including resumes, motivation letters, and stuff like that. So now you know how to get a job at American Airlines. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.